In this coding challenge, I work in a toy car workshop and my job is to build toy cars from a collection of parts. Each toy car needs 4 wheels, 1 car body and 2 figures of people to place inside. Given the number of wheels, car body and figures available and how many complete toy cars can I make? First of all, let's explain the problem. I need to make a car and each car needs 4 wheels, 1 car body and 2 figures. Now in this example, in the first example, I have 2 wheels, 48 car body and 76 figures. Here I can't make any car because to make one car I need 4 wheels, but here I have 2. In the second example I have 43 wheels, 50 car body and 87 figures. I can make 10 car. How to know how many car can I make? I need to use this formula. I calculate 43 wheels divided by here 4 wheels. It's equal to 10. I can make 10 cars in this second example. Now in the example number 3, I have 88 wheels. I can make 8 car. Also I need to use this formula, 88 divided by 4. It's 8. I can make 8 car. The problem here is to make a program that I give for this program this data, and he need to calculate how many cars can I make. Now let's make a small summary how to write this code. First of all, I need to declare a new function. This function have a name cars. It has 3 parameters. First parameters is for wheels, body and figures. Second step, I need to give the formula for the program to calculate how many cars can I make. The first formula is wheels divided by 4 because I need 4 wheels, and second formula is figures is divided by 2 because for one car I need 2 figures. And in the integer main I need to give the data and he need to put the result on the screen. Let's go write the code to see. Now using the C++ programming language, let's start write the code. And let's start with hashtag include IOStream. It's mean input output stream using namespace std. And let's start first of all to declare the function. Here function to calculate of complete cars, to know how many cars can I make with a wheel, figures and the car body. This function has the name of the function is cars. This function has 3 parameters. First parameters is for wheels, integer, car bodies, and finally integer figures. Now I need to open the braces and I need to put the formula of how to know the formula to know how many wheels and figures I have to make a car. Integer maximum cars by wheel is equal to, the formula is wheels divided by 4 because I need 4 wheels to make one car. Second integer maximum cars by figures is equal to figures divided by 2, because I need 2 figures to make 1 car. And finally, return parameters. It's mean return the minimum of max cars by wheels and car body, and the max by figures. You can make copy paste and semicolon. This is the first part of my code. Here I determine the function cars, and I declared wheels, car body, figures. It's a number, it's an integer. Second step, I calculate how this formula. I use this formula to know how many wheels I have and how many cars can I make with these wheels. And the same things with the figures. And finally, return parameters. It's the maximum wheels and the maximum figures and the car body. Now, second step is to write the main function, integer main. Here I need to use the example. I need to put the numbers and show the result when I need to run the code. First, cout cars 2, 48 and 36. Give me 2, 48 and 76. This is the first example. Here he gives me 0 cars because here I have 2 wheels, and for 1 car I need 4 wheels. Second example, also cout cars 43, 15 and 87. And finally, cout cars 88, 37, 17. Give me 0. And finally, return 0. Now let's run the code to see the result. And here I have an error. To solve the error, I need to come here and to put hashtag include algorithm. I used this line when I have here return minimum. I put this. And let's run again. Here we have another error. Let's rewrite this line, and I need to put here return minimum of the max cars. Here, the max car by wheels, comma, I need to put another minimum. It's for the car bodies and the maximum cars by figures. this. And let's try to run again. And this is our C++ code to show how many cars can I make by the wheels, the car bodies, and the figures that I have. When I have 2 wheels, I cannot make any cars. When I have 43 wheels, I can make 10 cars, and when I have 88 wheels, I can make 8 cars.